request by you as an elected member, when you stand up and throw your arms in the air and shout at the top of your voice, you demean the very stage of this House. Honorable Wandayi, I have tremendous respect for you, and nobody will intimidate you in my presence. Yes, so don't cry about intimidations. Honorable Ichungwa, your counterpart, is not in the business of intimidating people. I will not allow him to do so either. So it is so ordered. Order. If Wamboka, you have been a victim of Ichungwa's intimidation, you come and tell me, I'll protect you. Let's go to the next order. We are now going to question time. Order. Order, Honorable Anjala. I'm not giving you any chance. Next order. We are on statements and questions. Order. Order, honorable members. If you read your standing orders, we say question time starts not later than 3 p.m. We are now at 3:17. The Minister for Education is here. There are your colleagues who have filed questions on behalf of the people they represent and the country. We shall now welcome the Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, the Minister for Education, and I call upon the member for Embakasi West, the Honorable Mwenje, to ask the first question. Honorable Mwenje.